Imagine standing on a dark Canadian beach, the tide low, the air still, and suddenly, every wave begins to glow electric blue. The ocean itself starts to shine. It's not a dream or a camera trick. It's bioluminescence, a real-life light show created by millions of microscopic organisms called dinoflagellates, each one smaller than a grain of sand, yet together they turn the sea into liquid starlight. When you stir the water, when with your feet, a paddle, or even your hand, these tiny creatures flash as a defense response. They convert chemical energy into light using luciferin and luciferase, the same reaction that makes fireflies sparkle on summer nights. In Canada, this glowing ocean miracle happens mostly along the coast of British Columbia. Around Rath-Trevor Beach, Sackelt Inlet, and Jervis Inlet, places where calm water, warm summer nights, and low light pollution create perfect conditions for the glow. Locals say it's like paddling through a sea of stars, each movement setting the water ablaze with ghostly blue light. Even fish darting below the surface leave glowing streaks as if swimming through another dimension. Scientists call it a luciferin-oxygen reaction, but to anyone watching, it's pure magic. Proof that even the smallest life can create the most extraordinary beauty. The glow is brief, lasting only seconds, but unforgettable once seen. You'll see it best on moonless nights between July and August, when the air is warm and the tide calm. It's rare, unpredictable, one of nature's hidden wonders that rewards those who wait and watch in silence. So next time you're in Canada, find a quiet beach after dark. Walk into the waves, and let the ocean show you how the night truly shines. Subscribe for more fast facts and wonders, where every discovery lights up the world.